For those who want to get into the medical field, it's going to be their first step.
We have a dog bite victim.
If they want to become paramedics, you have to become an EMT. If you want to become a nurse, this is what kind of gives you that first taste of medicine. With the medical, like a heart attack or a stroke, it's not so much skills-based as it is knowledge-based. You have to know when they're having a heart attack or when they're having a stroke. So right now we're in trauma, and hands-on is, when it comes to trauma, is everything, because it's very skills-based. So you have splinting and bandaging and tourniquets. Usually the people who take this class are very compassionate people. You know, they say all the time, EMS personnel want to go and see the worst stuff ever. They want to get in the middle of the worst stuff. That's true, but then they want to make it better.
I'm fine, I'm not drunk.
You find out very quickly if emergency medicine is what you're going to be into. I think that the county and the schools have put in a lot of resources to it. I think that they've dedicated themselves to it, and I think my first class has been one of my best classes I've ever taught.